Hi, I'm Mr. Irving.
I'm Mr. Bednors, and you're watching Avid TV. All right, Inglewood High School, welcome to Avid TV. Let's get going with our topic this week, Cornell Notes number 3. Our essential question is the same from last time. How can my Cornell Notes help me with my grades? Now, I just wanted to pause here for just a second before I get into this review in our lesson and to emphasize how important Cornell Notes are. In Avid, this is something that we go over every single week, and I know that in some of the classes, some of the students might have been saying, you know, we do this all the time, or we already do Cornell Notes. Well, it's great just to review. So I expect the Avid students out there to actually be helping out and encouraging their fellow students that don't get the Cornell Note checks that we get every single week, and to be helping out, you know, give them a positive atmosphere on these Cornell Notes, because they're not going to only help you right now, but they're going to help you in the future. So let's get going with our review. Our past 2 sessions, we downloaded Cornell Notes, and then we took notes on Cornell Notes. So I want you to take out those notes and revisit them by highlighting, circling, and chunking your notes. Write main ideas on the left-hand side and some questions, as well as a summary at the bottom. Now, let's say you don't have any notes. You weren't here that day, or you just didn't get it down, or you lost it since it was before the break. I've actually put a model sample on my EHS TV website. So teachers, if you've got students in the class that don't have their Cornell Notes, have them click on this model set, a sample that's going to have 10 notes on it that they can then chunk and circle, highlight, and write a summary and some main ideas. We're going to go from this into a PowerPoint here just in a second. So I'm going to give the teachers some time and the students some time. Pause your video right now for about, 5 or 10 minutes. Give the students, teachers, walk around, make sure that they're doing this chunking and highlighting, circling, summary. Make sure that they're getting something down in Notability, and then click it back on, the pause back on to play, and we'll finish this up with a little PowerPoint. I'm going to have the kids grade each other's with a rubric, and that's what you're going to see next in the PowerPoint, and then we'll have our conclusion.
All right, EHS students, let's take a look at your Cornell Notes and some peer grading. You should have had the opportunity to revisit your notes for the last 10 minutes. During that time, you should have chunked some notes, highlighted, circled, written some questions, and had the opportunity to write a summary. Now you need to trade and grade with a partner. If you haven't downloaded, you need to download this grade sheet for Avid, and this is what we use in Avid when we grade our notes. You can find the grade sheet at the ehstv.weebly.com website, and on that grade sheet you'll see some different things more in detail on the next slide. So as we look at this sheet, you can see name, heading, period, topic, date gets 10 points, higher level questions gets 20 points. The gist of the notes is the organization, the main ideas, the abbreviation, and then of course a summary. And I want everybody, when you're grading each other's notes, to write at least one comment down here, and then grade each other's, and write a total down here of what you think your peer should receive as a grade. I grade everything out of 100, so your teachers might change the numbers a little bit, but for my class it's 100. Once you've had the opportunity to trade and grade, then take your iPad to the teacher together and show them your filled out grade sheet for your Cornell Notes. You should have a grade sheet for your partner, and your partner should have one for you. Please make sure your partner has written at least one comment on the bottom of the grade sheet about your notes. All done. Great job.
All right, students. So, this wraps up Cornell Notes. It's the end of the semester. When we come back in the spring, we'll be working on some different strategies, some organizational bits, as well as some reading strategies, writing strategies, all the fun stuff that goes with Avid. So, make Avid a habit. Mr. Bednors, have a great day.